What happened?
Out of your house. I ain't never. I'm gonna fucking shit go out of your ass, bitch. I'm gonna shit go. Yeah, put you on the show, yeah. How you got? Give me too tough. Don't put on me.
Okay, here's the supermarket. And here's the El Caler, now with a fancy camera system that blinks at you. And of course, signs of morbid habitation. Oh, here's a spot right here. I don't know if it's still on Google Maps, but you can see a ton of folks hanging out near this bus stop right here. Decipher this message as you will. I'm here at Dale and Lincoln, just after 5 p.m. Is that guy on Bluetooth or is he just talking? This is the Anaheim National Inn. Check it out. There's some broken glass. Probably a beer bottle. Woohoo! They're brave to put their bike there. Okay, Magnolia and Lincoln. The motorbike creeping into the old crosswalk. Oh yeah, right over there's the golf course. Here's a secret gate. See, this is one of those See, look at that, the ivy grown wall. And a secret gate that probably leads to some liminal space. Okay, let's see what's this way. The stagecoach liquor. And over here you can see we have some mild activity. I think those apartments are kind of new. They went up in the last 5 years or so. Car wash. Auto mechanic. Okay, so this is Dale. Okay, the food store. A slight traffic confrontation. This is Bel Air Street. Not the Bel Air you're thinking of, but Bel Air Street. Huh, how did they graffiti through the fence? Did they build the fence later and not clean the graffiti? There's some folks at the bus stop, but I don't know if they're waiting for the bus. There's that K Liquor, the new apartment complex. And these folks right here are just creeping in the bushes. And there's one of the denizens of the Nolan. The gas station. Two pumps. Oh wait, there's more over here. Yeah. Scooters, when scooters and mini bikes clash. Yet another right turn creeper. And here's the Obama phone spot, where you can get a nice Obama phone. Here it is, Walmart Neighborhood Market. Or should I say, Walmart Anaheim Market. The Shoes Fitness, or whatever it's called. Man, it's crowded in here. Okay. A Pepsi 2-liter. It says it's $2.84. Classic. Yep. Chili. Bingo. Chicken noodle. About $1.24. I'll get 2 of them. Okay, two of these spaghettis. Hey, why does this thing keep going there? Yeah, 2 of these spaghettis are $3.27 each. Yeah, I want to get something like chips. Bingo. $3.97.
You don't mind?
And now back to Buena Park. There used to be a motel right there. And then right over there used to be where Tower Records and Circuit City were. And assuming there's no bike coming, there's the new 7-Eleven. But I don't think it's open yet because the gate's still up. Or the fence is still up. Here's the intersection of Crescent and Beach Boulevard. There's an e-bike. And then here's Crescent and Grand Avenue with the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. A lot of swaying palm trees. And then I think that restaurant right there is called Amber Waves or something like that. Ghost Rider, of course. Thank you. All right, here I am at Western and Crescent. Good place to end the video.